Hello and welcome back to my channel, friends. Hope you guys are doing well. Today in this session, we are going to see what are set operations in PostgreSQL server. So as usual, the agenda would be understanding what are set operations and then a practical demo. The set operations, Postgres offers set operators that make it easy to query and filter the results of searches from your databases. Set operators are used to join the results of two or more select statements. So actually, these set operations are used, when you want to basically play around with more than one query. That is, two select statements or the two queries from two different tables. And then there are some, useful commands or set operators which can be useful depending upon your business requirements. So, sorry. So in all, there are basically three basic set operators: union, intersect, and accept. And each union and intersect has union all and intersect versions, right? So what is union all? Union all fetches all the record from both the queries, even with duplicates. So for example, if you have two or more queries, right? And if you are actually combining them with the help of an union all, then it will fetch all the record from all the queries, even if the duplicates are there. What is union? It basically fetch only distinct records for one or more queries. That is, if you have number of queries, then from all the queries, it will actually fetch only the distinct records. Okay. What is an intersect? It actually fetches common distinct record present in one or more queries. So if there are more than one query, then it will fetch only common records in all the queries. So for example, in query 1, 1, 2, 3, and in query 1, 3, 4, right? Then 1 and 3 would be only fetched. 2 and 4 would be eliminated. 2 from the first query and 4 from the second query because they are not common. So only common between all the queries. It will fetch only those records. And what is accept? Accept is nothing but return all the rows that are in the result of query 1. So it will return all the rows that are in query 1, but not in result in query 2. Okay. So it will fetch all the rows only from the query 1, but only those records which are not actually present in query 2. Okay. So yes, as usual, let us see the demo of this. So already I have this environment and I have created two tables called employee ID and employee UK. Okay. And let us see what are the records in both these tables. So give me a second. Okay. So you can see there are three records in India table and there are three records in UK table. So one, two, three, these are three from India and these are three from UK. And here you can see the number record three is common between both this table. So, just to show you the difference for all the set operators, I have created this data set. So let us see first of all how union all works. Okay. So the basic statement or the basic, structure goes like this. Select star from employee India. This is my first query. Union all. This is a set operator. And then select star from employee UK. Now, star means it would be actually checking all the columns, right? Now, when union all the set operator works on depending upon the columns you specify. If you specify only two columns in both the queries, then it would actually give a union accept intersect only between the two columns. Okay. And one more requirement to at least for union and intersect is that you should have, of course, and for accept also, the column list, right? The list of columns in both the queries should be same. That is the first and most requirement. Okay. So let us see how union all works. Right now you can see one from Rakesh to Lina, three Jitendra, and you can see three Jitendra has been basically duplicated. So as we seen in the theory part, that with union all it will fetch all the records from both the queries even with the duplicate. So this, even duplicates are actually retrieved. Now here you can see, as I told you, it's not necessary that always you need to give star. It depend upon the business requirement. So here if I give only employee name. Okay, if I first of all, if I try to execute this query, it will actually create an error. Each union query must have the same number of columns. Okay, so as I told you, basically, the list of columns or columns which you want to check or fetch uh, should be the list of columns should be same. So when I do employee name here, now it will try to give a result set. Now you can see employee ID is being eliminated. Okay. And still here Jitendra is being repeated. Okay. So this was union all. Let us see union. What is union? Union means what? It would actually fetch only the unique records from both the queries. Okay. So let us execute this statement. And now you can see one Rakesh, three Jitendra, one Hitesh, two Lina, and two Shivani. So basically, Jitendra, which was present in both the tables, that is employee India and employee UK, right? One is eliminated. Okay, Jitendra is shown only for the one time only because it was a duplicate record in both the tables. Okay, so this is where a union works, that it will try to fetch only unique records from both the queries. Okay. What is intersect? Now, intersect is what? As we seen in the theory part, that intersect is that it will fetch the record only common record from both the queries. Okay. Now, not unique record. It will fetch only common record from both the queries. So, as we in our total data set, if you can see here, then which is the common? Jitendra is common in both the record set. Okay. So let us check intersect. How does intersect work? See, now you can see here only Jitendra is being retrieved. So this way intersect works. It will what? It will only fetch the common record between the tables or between the queries. Now it can be one, two, three, four, any queries, but then it will fetch only common record. Okay. And what does accept does? Accept, we have seen that it will fetch all the records from this table, employee India, but it will sorry, it will skip those records which are present in employee UK. So let us see first how this would work. So now you can see one Rakesh, two Leena, three Jitendra, one Hitesh, two Shivani, and three Jitendra. Now from my UK record, Hitesh and Shivani are not going to be retrieved because it will retrieve only record from this table. Okay, that is the first table, employee India. So all these records should be fetched, but Jitendra is already present in my UK table, so it should get eliminated and we should get result set as one Rakesh and two Leena only. Okay, let us execute this. Yes, so we are right. So here only two records are actually fetched. Why? Because employee UK also contains a Jitendra. Okay, so this way, you can use this all set operations. They are very helpful, and sometimes, they even help in performance improvement. That if you are actually developing any logic, a separate logic just for doing this, then basically this helps like anything. Okay, hope you have understood this, guys, and just as usual, I would recommend that try more and more examples and more and more exercise around this set operations. Okay, don't forget to like my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel, right? So that you can keep getting the notification whenever I upload such videos. Okay, hope you have liked this video. See you next time with next good video. Till then, bye and take care.